cider vinegar help you to lose weight or not? Stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing with you the key benefits of apple cider vinegar for weight loss and how it can help you to manage cravings. Apple cider vinegar has been used for eons for everything from household cleaners to cooking to losing weight. It has about 19 different minerals like calcium and magnesium and has about 93 different compounds that are essential for your body. So, can it help you to lose weight? Well, I got my two hands in the air, standing on a chair as I yell, yes! Apple cider vinegar blocks fat formation and storage, detoxifies your body, and boosts your metabolism. With apple cider vinegar, crushed apples work with yeast to ferment the sugars, turning it into alcohol. The alcohol is further fermented by adding bacteria, which converts it into acetic acid. Acetic acid is the active ingredient in apple cider vinegar. Now try to buy organic if you can. My favorite brand is Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and that's because it has the mother strand with lots of the different beneficial enzymes that help you to lose weight as well as strengthening your immune system. Now there's a lot of talk about apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is so helpful with helping you to manage your cravings by suppressing your appetite. This leads to you eating less and consuming fewer calories. There's studies that show that 2 to 3 tablespoons per day can help to blast belly fat and increase your metabolism. Here's how to get more of it daily. Take a mason jar and add about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a dash of either honey or maple syrup, I would say no more than 1 teaspoon, and a dash of cayenne pepper, and 1 cup of water. Just simply shake it up in your mason jar and you're out the door. Another option is adding it to your salad dressings for lunch. So add about 1 tablespoon to your salad dressing. I have an amazing recipe for a roasted veggie quinoa salad with a really fat blasting apple cider vinegar salad dressing recipe. I'll place a link in the description below so you can grab it. For dinner, you can add about 1 tablespoon or more of apple cider vinegar along with your favorite herbs and spices and turn it into a homemade marinade. It's excellent for chicken or fish, or if you want a vegetarian option, you can simply just toss it along with some chickpeas or lentils or beans. Okay, so just because apple cider vinegar has lots of weight loss benefits, it doesn't mean that you should rely on it alone to lose weight. Make sure that you're combining apple cider vinegar with a healthy diet as well as an active lifestyle. Apple cider vinegar is just one of the key foods that help me to lose 30 pounds and burn calories all day long. If you want to learn even more fat burning foods, I highly recommend that you download my 5 secrets to a beach bod download. I'll place the link in the description below. In this guide, you'll find 5 top foods for revving up your metabolism and keep the calories burning all day long. Hey, if you like this video, please do me a favor, go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you like the most about it. Hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the little bell so you receive a notification of when I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.